And who would want a discovery? Okay, one down, one to go. Another town and one more show. That's a Yes song. Did it, did it, did it, did it. My helmet is pushing on my forehead and it's starting to hurt. Kind of gave me a headache. And now I'm hungry for haddock. I feel they're not going to let me buy ever. They're going to want me to follow them all the way to Franklin. Are they going to let me? They're going to pull off? They're not going to pull off. They're not going to pull off. Nope, they're not going to pull off. Why would they? Oh my goodness. This waterfall is pretty cool. It's nice to see that they have both waterfalls open. Florida. But if you want to see the waterfalls, come up from the other direction. You want to go south on 28. That way you can look off to the right, my left, and there's some cool stuff over there, especially as we get further down the mountain. I mean, it's kind of cool over there right now, but it's still kind of level here. Once we start going down the mountain, when you're coming up the other way, there's some killer waterfalls. When you look up that way, there's some cool waterfalls. And if you're on a bike, get as close to the guardrail as you can. The views are better at the guardrail. It's more fun when you have a passenger, because you'll absolutely freak your passenger out. You start riding along that guardrail, and then down here a little ways, that guardrail is just a little rock wall. Good. I can't tell where they're from. Georgia. Hamilton County, Georgia. Use the pull off. Use the pull off. Use the pull off. We're not. We're not. Just ride your brakes through the turn. I'll go around. Man, it's beautiful through here. If they put fresh pavement down, this road would be awesome. If you've come here just to spend your week slaying the dragon, you need to just stop and take a day and come down 28. Go all the way to Walhalla, South Carolina, and get yourself a hamburger there. So now over on that side, when you're coming up the mountain, is when the views are just amazing. But like I said, if you got a passenger and you're riding on the white line, you are going to freak them out in this little section. You can't really see the river down there, but it's there. Yeah, all your views are going up the mountain. It's gorgeous going up. It's better in the fall once the leaves drop off the trees. Fall, winter, then you can see all the waterfalls going up through there. That's two cops that have